Are you excited about building your new website with Bootstrap 4, but worried about browser support? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the specifics of Bootstrap 4's browser compatibility. I totally get it. Using a framework that's still in alpha can feel risky, especially when it comes to ensuring your site works across different browsers. Many developers share your concerns, and it's important to know what you're getting into. Here's the question we're addressing today. A user asked, from which browser version is Bootstrap 4 supported? This is a crucial detail for anyone looking to use this framework for their website. Understanding browser support is key to ensuring your website looks great for all users. Bootstrap 4 aims to support the latest versions of major browsers, but knowing the specifics can help you avoid potential issues down the line. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a valuable resource that will help you stay updated on Bootstrap's browser support. To determine the browser support for Bootstrap 4, the user should first refer to the official Bootstrap documentation. This documentation provides a comprehensive list of supported browsers and their versions. Next, the user should note that Bootstrap 4 supports the latest versions of major browsers. This includes Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. Additionally, the user should be aware that Bootstrap 4 also supports Internet Explorer 10 and 11, but with some limitations. This means that while the framework will work, certain features may not function as intended. Finally, the user can check for any specific version requirements or known issues by looking at the GitHub repository for Bootstrap. This can provide insights into any potential compatibility concerns. Fun fact: did you know that Bootstrap was originally created by Twitter developers? It has since evolved into one of the most popular front-end frameworks out there. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to the user, Bootstrap 4 supports the latest stable releases of all major browsers. Specifically, on Windows, it supports Internet Explorer versions 10 and 11, as well as Microsoft Edge. They also mentioned that Bootstrap is designed to work with the latest browser versions and future updates. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. According to another user, Bootstrap 4 supports several major browsers. Specifically, it works with the last major version of browsers, Chrome version 45 and above, Firefox version 38 and above, Edge version 12 and above, Internet Explorer version 10 and above, iOS version 9 and above, Safari version 9 and above, Android version 4.4 and above, and Opera version 30 and above. Here's a pro tip. Always test your website on multiple browsers and devices to ensure compatibility. This will save you headaches later on. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to check Bootstrap 4's browser support. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more web development tips, and don't forget to check out the resources linked below.